Let's learn jobs and occupations.
Teacher. A teacher teaches students new things like reading, writing, and math. Police officer. A police officer helps keep our community safe and assists people in emergencies. Tennis player. A tennis player plays tennis professionally. Engineer. An engineer builds and designs things like bridges and roads. Farmer. A farmer grows fruits, vegetables, and animals on a farm. Firefighter. A firefighter helps put out fires and rescues people from dangerous situations. Shop assistant. A shop assistant works in a store and helps customers. Baseball player. A baseball player plays baseball professionally. Assistant. An assistant helps another person or a group with various tasks. Soldier. A soldier serves in the military to protect their country. Cashier. A cashier helps you pay for the things you bought at a store. Architect. An architect designs and plans buildings like houses or offices. Artist. An artist creates beautiful pictures and paintings. Accountant. An accountant helps businesses with money and keeps track of their finances. Librarian. A librarian takes care of books in the library and helps people find what they need. Receptionist. A receptionist works at the front desk of a place, like an office, a clinic, or a hotel. Painter. A painter creates art by using colors on surfaces like walls. Astronaut. An astronaut goes to space in a spaceship to explore and make experiments. Surgeon. A surgeon is a doctor who performs surgeries. Cleaner. A cleaner helps people to keep places tidy and neat. Nurse. A nurse takes care of people in the hospital and helps them feel comfortable. Flight attendant. A flight attendant helps people on airplanes, making sure they have a safe and comfortable journey. Doctor. A doctor helps people feel better when they are sick or not well. Council worker. A council worker works for the local government. They clean public spaces, maintain parks, repair roads, or manage waste collection. Seamstress. A seamstress makes and repairs women's clothing. Tailor. A tailor makes and repairs men's clothing. Musician. A musician plays a musical instrument or sings. Musicians create and perform music. Delivery person. A delivery person transports and brings items or goods from one place to another. Construction worker. A construction worker works in the construction industry. Scientist. A scientist studies things like plants, animals, or chemicals to learn new information. Baker. A baker is someone who makes and bakes bread, cakes, cookies, and pastries. Chef. A chef cooks delicious food in a restaurant or kitchen. Cook. A cook prepares and makes food. Businessman. A businessman is a male person who owns, manages, or operates a company or enterprise. Businesswoman. A businesswoman is a female person who owns, manages or operates a company or enterprise. Magician. A magician performs magic tricks to entertain and amaze audiences. Mail carrier. A mail carrier delivers mail to people's homes or businesses. Veterinarian. A veterinarian takes care of animals, making sure they stay healthy. Builder. A builder puts houses and buildings together using different materials like bricks and wood. Lifeguard. A lifeguard watches over people at swimming pools or beaches to keep them safe in water. Writer. A writer creates stories, books, or articles for people to read. Lawyer. A lawyer helps people with legal problems and goes to court to speak on their behalf. Electrician. An electrician fixes electrical problems in houses or buildings. Carpenter. A carpenter builds things with wood, like furniture or houses. Paramedic. A paramedic helps people in emergencies, providing medical assistance. Plumber. A plumber fixes pipes and water systems in houses or buildings. Dentist. A dentist takes care of people's teeth, making sure they stay healthy. Pharmacist. A pharmacist gives people the right medicine and helps with health advice. Psychologist. A psychologist talks to people to help them with their thoughts and feelings. Mechanic. A mechanic fixes cars and trucks to keep them running well. Hairstylist. A hairstylist cuts and styles hair in a salon. Translator. A translator helps people understand languages by translating from one language to another. Computer engineer. A computer engineer works with computers and technology. Fashion designer. A fashion designer creates stylish clothes and accessories. Archaeologist. An archaeologist looks for ancient things buried in the ground to learn about history. Meteorologist. A meteorologist tells us about the weather. Fitness trainer. A fitness trainer helps people stay healthy by creating exercise plans. Geologist. A geologist studies rocks and minerals to understand Earth's history. Barista. A barista makes and serves coffee in a cafe or coffee shop. Marine biologist. A marine biologist studies animals and plants in the ocean to understand marine life. Pilot. A pilot flies airplanes and helps people travel to different places. Software developer. A software developer makes computer programs and apps that we use on phones and computers. Gardener. A gardener takes care of gardens, plants, and outdoor spaces. YouTuber. A YouTuber creates content and uploads videos on YouTube. Waiter. A waiter is a male person who works in a restaurant or a cafe and takes care of customers' dining needs. Waitress. A waitress is a female person who works in a restaurant or a cafe and takes care of customers' dining needs.
Now we know jobs and occupations. Until next time, stay happy and healthy.